Hey guys, welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So nandito tayo guys sa part ng Walden. And alam niyo ba kung anong gagawin natin?
Mag-house tour.
Mag-house tour tayo. Ayan. So bali naimbitahan tayo dito guys ng aming realtor na si Daniel Mendoza.
Dito yung tag niya.
Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Meron kasi siyang ano ngayon. Open house. Ayan. So sa mga naghahanap ng realtor guys, ayan. Ito yung aming realtor dun sa aming bahay. So Daniel Mendoza, ayan yung number. Alright.
Saan ba? Dito yata sa 32?
3910 to.
Dito yata tayo.
Sa likod siya. O kasi dapat papasok kami. Kaso baka kailangan ng, alam niyo na, permit. So umikot na, nag-park na lang kami. Nag-park na lang kami doon. Oo.
So yan guys, hanapin lang muna natin kung nasan yung unit. Kami ay nalilito pa. Ayan. Oh yan, dito yung 810. Nasa likod baby niyan. So nag-park lang kami dito sa harap. Kasi feel ko nga, kailangan may permit ka or homeowner ka para kung makapag-park sa loob. Nasa likod niyan. Kasi yung iba 2,000 na eh. So, ang hahanapin natin unit ay 32. Grabe, ang tagal na rin namin na huling nakapag house tour. Kaya nakaka-excite na kasi kamusta na ba yung market ngayon, 'di ba? Ang dami ng new build ngayon. Kaya feel ko mas magandang bumili ngayon kumpara sa mga nakaraang taon. Yan, mas may value yung pera nyo. Yan. So I think dito yung open house.
So guys, ito ata. Ayun meron nakalagay na Remax sa harap. So ito na siya guys.
Ang likod baby ay parking. So dito tayo dadaan. Tama.
Hindi ko alam.
Tama, parking yun. Parang ganun. So dito tayo. Ito yung
So ito yung bahay guys.
So corner kayo.
May kotse. Ito yung parking. So ito na nga. Alright, pasok tayo.
Hi Kuya Daniel. We're here. We got lost.
Oh my god, you're so big.
Hello.
So, paakyat siya.
That's a nice hat.
Hi Kuya.
Look good, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, this is Daniel.
Yeah.
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 Wow, bagong-bago
Is this a new build or?
2022.
Yeah, recent.
2022, okay.
But this is spacious.
First owner moved out.
Okay.
Last month.
Oh,
They're a big fan of yours.
really? Oh, Filipino owned? Oh, I guess, yeah. That's
Okay,
nice.
so silipin muna natin itong
They can't wait na to
Sa
sell
labas.
yung wedding mo.
They purchased
Ah?
a second house.
Oh,
Hindi ko alam paano buksan. Pero meron siyang terrace.
for sale. Yeah.
Yan siya.
Good, good.
You busy?
Ano?
Average.
What's that?
That's all.
Alright.
That's basic.
So ito siya guys, no?
Oh, good.
Parang pares yung sa atin, pahaba.
Yeah. And the price is, I think I checked. Yeah, later.
Later. So, tour muna
So
natin.
this, yeah, we'll tour this house. And then we'll ask Kuya Daniel about
Yes.
the details or more information about it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Perfect. So this is the living area. You know, with
Yan.
balcony and pwede kayong mag-barbecue outside. Ang laki. Ang lawak naman. Lugar
Hindi
na.
ko siya mabuksan din.
Buksan mo na?
Hindi pa nga eh.
Nakalock yun sa inyo.
Ayan mo na. Okay na yan.
Yan. So, ano to? Is that aircon?
Aircon na tayo.
Aircon yan, kuya?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, AC.
Aircon.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is air conditioning.
You should check the garage too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think may car.
May car doon.
Ferrari ba yan? Mustang?
Wow, may sports car.
Nakita ko kanina eh.
And then
Yeah,
this
check
is the
natin.
dining area. Ayan, feel free to put
Oh,
your
yeah.
things here, yung mga stuff and everything. And
Powder? Powder room ba to?
powder room. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
For the guests. Right?
Nice.
Diba? For the guests.
Oo.
Come on. So, kuya, ilang bedroom to?
Three bedrooms.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
Okay. 3.5.
3 and a
Okay,
half.
interesting.
Laki ah.
No, sorry, 3 bedrooms, 2.5.
Back. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good. Thank you. So, carpeted siya, guys.
Mm.
Going upstairs.
So, again guys, 2022 to.
Bagong-bago.
Oo, bagong-bago.
Ang laki, no? Samsung.
Oy, ganda ng kanilang washer dryer, oh.
Washer dryer.
So, pagkakit nyo pa lang, ito na agad yung bubunga sa inyo.
And then,
Washer dryer.
another-
First room.
First room. Oh, meron tong ano, no? Bathroom. Hindi ko alam
Ah,
kung
baka
yung
ito na yung
masters.
ano, baka.
Pero baka meron din doon sa kabila.
Diyan yung closet mo dito.
His and hers. Ay, hindi, no? May hati lang, pero ano rin pala yan.
Mhm.
Katuloy. And then again, carpeted.
Yes.
So, feel ko, kasya naman yung queen bed, no?
Oh, pwede
Or
naman.
double.
Pero mas maganda kung double lang dito.
Yeah, para hindi kasikip.
Mm. Then yung kanyang washroom. So, may shower na siya dito. Yan. Bago pa oh, bagong-bago. Yung cabinet niya, meron kayo dito. And of course, meron yan.
Sink.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, come on.
And then,
For the other room.
puntahan natin yung pangalawang room.
Yeah. Second room, ito. I think smaller siya. Kasi wala rin washroom.
Oo.
So, and then,
Of course, hindi mo mawala yan. Meron kayong
lalagyan
closet.
ng closet.
Yeah. So ito, tamang siguro single bed. Pang anak
Or
niya.
pang office.
Or pwedeng double deck, 'di ba?
Pwede.
Kung let's say medyo marami yung anak mo, pwede yan dyan. Wait, Sayan.
And then, ito yung common washroom sa second
Mhm.
floor.
Yeah.
Malaki-laki.
Mas
rin.
malaki ata. Oo, mas malaki to.
Even you can swim. Even you can swim.
Parang pares na sa atin, ano?
Even you can swim.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can swim
pwede
there.
kayo mag-swim dyan. May bathtub.
Si Bobby.
Kasi si Sayan, ginagawa niyang swimming pool yan.
Okay.
Every time na maliligo siya, kailangan punuin.
So, ito yung... And then ito, tingnan natin.
Pangatlong room.
So yung naunang nakuha natin
okay.
is the masters. Kasi
Oo.
ito, din, cute size din siya.
Mm-mm.
Either office room or, yun nga, pan-kids room.
Yeah.
So tapos may space din for closet.
Yeah.
Nice. So this is
Ito
a
maganda.
townhouse,
Maganda
guys.
yung bintana niya, malaki.
Oo.
No?
Yan, oo. Hindi ka
Yeah.
parang feel mo suffocating.
Ang ganda ng blinds niya, actually.
Malaki to.
Malaki, oh.
Tsaka durable.
Yeah.
Kasi yung sa amin, yung blinds namin, yung maninipis pa.
Mm-mm. Nice. Ganda.
Pero marami ng ibang nauuso, pati yung zebra
Zebra.
blinds.
Yeah, zebra.
So, yun guys. And then, punta tayo ngayon sa garage.
Garage. Yeah.
So, meron daw dito ang garage which is tandem garage. Silipin natin.
Tingnan natin.
Nice, oh. So, tatlong rooms
Yeah,
yun,
tatlo.
guys. Diba, laki din. Hindi kayo magkakitaan. Kung parang lumalaki na yung family. Diba, kung ilan yung anak mo.
Yeah.
May enough room for everyone.
Yeah. So, baba muna tayo. Puntahan natin yung yung garahe.
Garage.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go there.
May nakita kasi akong sasakyan doon. Gwapo ng kotse.
Come on.
Yan. So, pababa ulit siya. Yan. Ito yung garage. Pagbaba mo, ito na yung pinaka door niya. Ayan o, tino naman yan. Kisa, ayun o. Wow!
What's that?
Wow! Nice car o. Dalawa ka siya.
Oo nga, baby, tandem. So, two-car garage, tas tandem.
Yan, lakarin ko. Magdi na ako mag-ano. Yan.
So, nakita rin natin
Kasya
yung
dalawa.
furnace. Oh, linis na, no?
So, ito.
Ayan siguro yung furnace. Tama.
Oo nga, ito yung furnace. So, bagong-bago pa to guys. Kasi 2022 build lang tong bahay na to. So, for sure, bago yan. Yan. Wow!
Ano nga itong brand?
Mustang.
Mustang. Wow.
And it's a transformer car.
Yan. So, hindi kasama yan guys yung sasakyan ha.
So, yung mga hindi.
Oh, laki ng TV nyo. QLED, oh.
85 inches.
Oh, ito maganda, no? Dalawa kasya sa sakyan.
Kung isa lang sasakyan, at least more storage for everyone.
Is this for
Transformer, yeah.
Don't touch it, okay? Come
Ayan,
on.
ganda.
That's nice. So, ngayon, alamin na natin kung magkano ba to, and then ano pa yung further details na share ni Kuya about this property.
Yes. Alright, pasok. Akit muna tayo. So, ito pala guys yung kanyang
Countertop.
countertop.
So,
Yan.
nasa middle. Counterpart din sa bahay natin. Pati yung faucet.
Yes.
Nasa gitna.
Mm-mm.
And then,
Of course,
My stuff away.
normal na yan. Kasama na yan dyan. Stove, microwave, ref, dyan na yan. So, yung mga
space.
cabinet niya dito, ilalagay niyo ng mga kung ano-ano. Sa amin, nilagyan namin ng baso, yung mga ganyan, plato. Yeah.
And, ito, microwave.
So, ito, exhaust to, meron yan.
Yeah. And then yung ref niya. Maganda.
Parang,
storage?
hindi, magkaiba yun. Sa atin naman kasi
Ito,
buo
bigger
eh.
space to.
Oo.
Ito yata yung gusto mong type ng ref. No,
tas yung
kasi
sena-
gusto mo to. Yung nahatak.
Oo.
Oh, you did put some ice there.
Yeah.
Ah.
So, Kuya Daniel.
Alright, so ito, alamin na natin guys, no? Kung how much ba to?
How much is this property?
Yes.
Which is listed in the
So this is
market.
right here. It's been in 2 weeks now in the
2
market.
weeks in the market, guys.
425. It's actually below what right now is.
Okay, 425,000 guys.
Yeah. So this place sells well.
Right, yeah.
It's a brand new neighborhood, 2022 built. First owner moved out, and they're selling it now.
Yeah. The seller just moved out because they bought another property.
Yeah.
Right.
They bought a second property. So
Sana
this,
all.
this is your transition. So that was your transition we talked about, right?
Mm-hmm.
So earn what you got in your home, and you create enough equity, you buy a second home.
Right.
That's what they did.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Good deal and good stuff.
Yeah. They're also a big fan of you guys.
Wow. Thank you, whoever
Their
you
their
are.
name's right there. Kuya Fred and Ate Lexi Cristobal.
Oh, at
They're a
least,
huge
yeah.
fan of yours.
Shout out.
Shoutout po.
You know, you have a very nice property. Zion loved the Mustang.
Oo nga eh.
The car.
Pero hindi kasama yung ano ah.
Hindi kasama for sale. Yeah, this is a very good house, especially spacious. Yeah, kasi like in the living room, hindi ka sikip. Kasi I mentioned to Alvin, should we move or upgrade? Because in our space, it's somehow tight in the living area. But yeah, so we'll see kung when is the right time for us to.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can consider buying this property, guys. Explore. So today is an open house, but contact Kuya Daniel, yeah, for if you would want to explore and visit this in person.
Yeah. I mean, it is a buyer's market. If you are thinking of buying a house, this is the right time.
Yes.
Can we share this location para at least alam
Yeah.
nila kung
It's in Waldgrove area, southwest.
Right.
It's about how many minutes away from the hospital? 15 minutes? 10 minutes away?
Like what? South Health Campus?
Yeah.
Or? Okay. Oh, that's good.
So
Yeah.
about maybe 15 minutes away from your house.
And then the schools around Kuya. Like what are the schools?
The way they develop area, it's like, for example, this is your home, right? This is your home. Okay, there's always schools all around.
Okay.
Okay, there's amenities. Okay, you need to have routes and exit signs. So you need to create those communities so that people don't have to go to downtown to
Alright.
just within. So across the street, there's a shopping center
Right. Yeah.
because they want to stay within
Right.
because
Yeah.
it creates less traffic.
So this is in Walden community.
yeah, well then.
There's always an exit point. There's always schools and amenities in brand new area. Like,
Right.
like you guys.
Right. And given that this is a townhouse, Kuya, this has a condo fee,
Yeah.
right? So
How
how much
much?
is the condo fee, Kuya,
Condo
for this
fee,
property?
let me check again. 230.
230.
Mura.
Yeah, mas mura sa atin. Yeah.
Tayo ay 385.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Kasi mas bago to eh. They have started in the very basic price. So 230, not very bad.
Oo.
This is a very good
Okay yan.
monthly condo fee. So, included na doon yung insurance, maintenance grants, professional management, reserve fund, snow removal. Yes.
A lot of people say condo. Oh, I don't want to buy condo.
Right.
Condo's actually a good thing
Right.
because liability is shared.
Yeah.
You talk a lot. So liability is when you give someone $230 a month to take care of your liability outside. You take care of it inside.
Right.
If you have a condo apartment, your liability is less, but you pay a little bit more because it comes in water, heat, sometimes gas, sometimes electric.
Yeah, that's the thing. So you just have to like weigh your options, do condo, apartment, townhouse, or like a detached house. So it depends on the needs also of every person or families, as well as it depends on your budget and your needs.
And budget-wise, if you say buy a condo apartment, you have to save faster. If you live in a condo apartment, your monthly payment stays the same for condo fee, but your water and electric is paid,
Yeah.
so you're not fluctuating your savings.
Right.
You can save that,
Yeah.
and your smaller footprint, so you have a lower property tax.
Yeah, this one is how much is the property tax for this one? Does it show here? No.
It's right there.
Okay,
3,000.
3,000. This is
3,000.
more expensive than ours. But yeah, because it depends or varies per location. So 3,139 yung property tax niya for 2025. So I think there will be a new assessment after June 30. So we'll see if it increases or decreases. But yeah, it varies per year.
It does.
Yeah.
I haven't heard property tax go down.
Yeah. So for 25,000 guys, it's a row house, and again 3 beds, 2.5 bath, and it has a 2-car
Two-car
garage,
garage.
yeah, tandem garage.
Yeah, and one more parking outside.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
nice.
nice.
Yeah. Mamaya siguro silipin natin yung harap, no?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Kasi dito kami galing sa likod eh.
But baby, ito nga, makikita mo, you can just walk the, ano yun, yung mga orthodontics.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yung sinasabi ni
Diba?
Daniel na merong mga ano dyan sa harapan.
Diba? Hindi ka lalayo pa. So maraming establishments sa labas.
Oo nga, no? Pwede nga 3 car, no? Kasi ayan, no? Parang ganyan, guys. So,
Right.
diba? Pwede mo pa siya lagyan sa harapan mo.
Mahaba.
Yeah.
Nice. And then yung visitors parking mo, dito
Ito na agad sa
Hindi
tabi.
kami nag-park dito.
Oo nga, sa labas
Kala ko
kami.
kasi na malapit lang.
Yeah.
Right,
Nice.
guys. Oh. Nice. Oh.
Question for you guys.
What?
When you move into your home, do your life get better?
Yes, of course. Yeah, not much worries when it comes to landlords because, yeah. But
Yes.
however, their responsibility will all be yours. Everything that happens in your house.
You have stability.
Right.
A lot of people say, payment, mortgage, so big. At the end of the day, you'll find stability with you. You have your sanctuary for your own home.
Right.
It doesn't matter what size, what kind. It's somehow it puts together, right?
Right.
It comes in together.
Yeah.
Even for you guys, when you purchase your home and you can PR, or it's gonna go right. I had multiple clients who did that too. And a week or 2 weeks after they moved in, they became PR too.
Wow, that's
And
nice.
you have stability somehow.
Right, yeah.
Falls in together.
They're just waiting for that moment, that right time.
So I believe in that stuff. Like,
Yeah.
I believe in
That's when the stars align.
synchronicity.
Yeah.
If you think positive outlook, things
Yes.
happen. Yeah.
This is a good, like, very bright space, no? Yeah. Maganda yung malapit ng establishments.
Lakad mo
You
lang.
just
Pwede
go
mo
there
lakarin.
anytime.
Tatawid ka lang sa kabila.
Does it have playground in the area? Or?
There's a play close to the church.
Oh,
They're
what's
running
the church near?
It's a Christian church.
Oh, Christian church, yeah.
Few seconds later.
I want to thank you guys for coming. Really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome, Kuya. Anytime.
Give me coffee if you have any questions.
Yeah,
Yes.
for sure. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, Daniel.
Bye-bye.
There.
Bye-bye.
Till next time.
Okay, just message me, Kuya.
Yeah, katatapos lang natin mag-tour dito sa house. Ang ganda siya. No? Ang gusto ko dito yung parking, malaki din.
Dito, baby. Oh,
Tapos
pwede ka
ito, pagka gusto mo lumabas ng bahay mo, ito lang naman yung bubungad sa'yo. Ayan, no?
Parang ganito yung kala Alba Fambam, no?
Oo, meron sila. So, silipin na rin natin yung harapan. Total, nandito na rin tayo eh. Para at least makita naman ng mga manunood Ayan. So ito yung sinasabi ni Daniel na pwede ka pa mag-park ng isang sasakyan dito sa harap. So tatlo pwede mong
Oh, tapos
Ayan.
nakapang visitors park.
Tapos katabi mo pa eto. No?
Yeah.
Ayan. So ito yung harapan niya, guys.
Come on. Nice. Okay. Spacious siya. That's my aircon.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So yun, no? Tapos na tayo. At pauwi na tayo ng bahay.
Yes. It's a long day.
Yeah. So, ayan guys, no? Kapag gusto nyo tumingin or bisitahin tong property na to, just message lang sa amin. Then
Yeah.
pwede namin bigay sa inyo yung contact number ni Daniel.
Yan, kay Kuya Daniel. Dito lang yan sa Walden Community.
Yes.
And again, for 25,000 below market price daw yun.
Oh, pwede nyo pa sigurong tawaran
Tawaran,
yan.
yeah.
Siyempre, bakit hindi?
Negotiate the price, guys.
Oo, negotiable pa yan.
Alright.
So, yun guys, no? Yan, I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa vlog namin for today. And siguro abangan nyo guys,
Zion,
baka
come here.
marami pa kaming bisitahing bahay na mga klase ng ganito, no? And kasi
Na-miss
sobrang
namin ang house tour.
bumababa kasi yung market ngayon guys, no? Sabi nga ni Daniel buyer's market pa rin ngayon.
Alright.
Alright, so hanggang dito na lang. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace!